Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. And yeah, I'm back again after a few months, and this time InWin here gave me the opportunity and motivation to make another unboxing. Yeah, I love when companies do things like this. Basically on this occasion, InWin wanted to provide a few people with one of their new released cases. In this case we have InWin Explorer, and to give this to them for just an unboxing video. And yeah, this is what I'm making now. Let's see here. This is one ITX case. The box has a few specifications here, and I believe on the other side has some features like a lighter frame, supports really long graphics cards, has tempered glass side panels, and a few other things. But before we talk about all of this, let's start with the unboxing. So the case is unboxed, and how many cases do come like this? Because usually the cases come assembled, and indeed this is one, let's say, feature of this case is that you will build it yourself. It comes in parts, and you have a box of screws. Everything you need you have right here, and it gives you also some zip ties, which is cool. Well, as this case requires assembly, I got my trusty screwdriver here, and I guess we will start assembling it and see how easy it is to assemble. Okay, done. This is the case, and I am really impressed of the building part of the assembly. This was really easy, even with my mistake of putting this upside down the first way. It was an easy fix. The case looks sturdy. You will not have issues with this. Yeah, and about the case, I really love how the side panel system functions. You just put the panel here, fix it in place, pop in 4 buttons, and that's it. Really simple. One thing I like about this case is that InWin compromised a bit. Usually the ITX cases want to occupy the littlest space in your office as they can, and for that you need to buy all the small parts like SFX PSUs, ITX motherboards, maybe 240 water coolers, but this is in the middle. They kept the ITX motherboard, which this requires. It will be down below, but with the rest you have almost full freedom. You can put in here ATX PSUs up to 160 millimeters in length. So I do believe there are some PSUs that are longer than 160, but this is quite okay. Really long graphic cards, like 330, like they said on the box. What else? You have space for fans. They provide you with 3 InWin fans like this, which you can place one in the back and 2 at the top, where we have this dust filter. A cool thing, maybe, the PSU being added here will get the air from the front side, and the only space where the airflows comes into the PSU is down here. And if you want more airflow, they do provide us with a more colorful option, which you can put it in this place, and you have more intake, so more airflow for the PSU. And of course the PSU will evacuate the air in the case, so don't go with a cheap PSU on this one. Get one that is efficient. Okay, you have space down here for 2 2.5 SSDs or one 3.5 hard drive, and you have a lot of space for the air cooler if you want to put it on the CPU. I believe it's about, the limit is about 160mm height for a CPU cooler, but you can also go for a 240 water cooler here on the back side. No issues. I really like how they managed to put the cables nicely hidden here, so that will be cool. The color scheme, InWin has this available in a more simpler color scheme, the bone white, which is more suited for office stuff if you like that. But this case attracted me the most because of its colorfulness. I'm thinking to build a computer in it for my son, once I have all the parts, of course, and I do believe the assembly will be really fun for him too. At the moment he is 6 years old, so I believe until he's 7 years old maybe I'll get all the parts for a build. We'll see. We will see, but I'll definitely build it with him. This case, I believe in the InWin store, which I saw, it's about 119 euros. So it's quite expensive, but I understand it because it's a unique case and it's a small form factor that you can build yourself. And it comes with 3 RGB fans, which is quite nice. So it's quite expensive, but I do believe the price is worth it. I guess this is it. This is it. Quite the unique case. I cannot wait to build in it with my son. I love the color choices for kids. One case for kids. What other company thought of a case and made it available in a color scheme made for kids? Very interesting. Well, if you're an adult and you like this, there is nothing stopping you to have a colorful case like this. I think it goes well with RGB. But anyway, yeah, again, thank you InWin for the awesome experience and for the awesome case. Thank you for letting me be a part of the unboxing experience, how you put it, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great time and game on. Bye.